Prioritizing tasks in Asana is a game changer for staying organized and on top of your projects, especially if you're working in a team. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Asana's tools to make sure you're prioritizing the right tasks, so nothing slips through the cracks. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Asana for completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll even get some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you should do when prioritizing tasks in Asana is organize your tasks with due dates. This sounds simple, but it's easy to forget. Setting a clear deadline for each task gives you a timeline and helps you stay accountable. If you're unsure of the priority, just start by assigning a rough date. Don't overthink it. Once a task has a deadline, you can start visualizing the urgency of your workload. Next thing is to use Asana's priority labels. You can easily mark tasks with custom labels like high, medium, and low. This makes it easy to visually see which tasks need your immediate attention. To do this, click on the task, go to the drop-down under the priority field, and select your desired label. These color-coded labels will give you a quick overview of what's most important without having to dig into the details. The third thing you'll want to try is sorting your tasks by due date. In your project view, click on the column header for due date to sort the tasks by deadline. This will automatically show you the tasks that are due soonest at the top, making it easier to tackle the most urgent ones first. The fourth thing you can do is break larger projects into smaller tasks. When you add subtasks in Asana, you make a huge difference in how easy it is to prioritize. Breaking a big project down into smaller, manageable tasks will help you see what you need to work on right now and what can be put off for later. And don't forget about dependencies. Asana allows you to mark tasks that rely on others. This is super helpful for projects with multiple steps. If task A needs to be completed before task B, you can set that up so Asana will prioritize the earlier task first. Another feature to use is the My Tasks view. This will show you all your upcoming tasks in one list, and you can sort them by due date, priority, or project. Having this consolidated view ensures that nothing gets lost and you're always clear on what's next. Lastly, to make sure you're sticking to your priorities, use the Asana mobile app. You can easily check tasks on the go, adjust priorities, and stay on track no matter where you are. To wrap it up, if you want to truly master task prioritization in Asana, it's all about organizing with due dates, using labels, sorting tasks, breaking projects down, and setting dependencies. If you do this, you'll always be in control of your tasks and projects, ensuring you're getting the right things done at the right time. And remember, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Use the first link in the description below to get an extended free trial of Asana with some awesome bonuses. Happy task managing, and don't forget to check out the link to get started.